what's up fam? It's Day and welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out this latest drop from the BGYO, All These Ladies. So, alam kong mainit-init pa to and I haven't seen it yet. And so, sama-sama tayo ngayong mashook or mastan in this video. By the way, I just wanna say sorry if sobrang natagalan ako mag-create ng mga reaction videos. But still, I really appreciate yung all-out support nyo pa din, yung pag-continues to showing your love, and of course, yung mga nagko-comment pa din na and suggesting kung ano yung pwede kong i-react. Thank you so much for guys. Thank you so much guys. And I really appreciate that one. BGYO's been leveling up every time may comeback sila. And super excited ako kasi hindi ko alam and I'm curious kung anong vibe ang dala nila this time. Alright, let's see kung gaano ka-powerful tong drop na to. You already know that I'll be pausing, reacting, and of course, giving you my real thoughts about this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, especially if you're a true fan of BGYO or just mahilig lang magmanood ng mga ganitong reaction videos.
I think I need to dry my eyes. Damn, this girl is dangerous. Cause I've been in love 1,000 times. I think it's getting serious.
Ito na mga boses nila.
Cause my college plays so much. Always has me picking up rosé. Cutie from a 9 to 5. Always throws those hazel eyes my way.
Guwapo niya, no?
Damn. All these ladies got me going crazy. Don't know what to
Ang kira.
Don't know what to do. All these ladies, please somebody save me, say you feel it too.
Ang ganda, in fairness, ang ganda ng quality ng video. Pang-international siya. Nathan! Actually, yung bias ko talaga dito si Nathan.
All these ladies got me going crazy. Don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. Met somebody new last night. Why am I in love again?
Nathan.
Got a lady by my side. And you know that we're more than friends. But the girl I see when I'm at church got me praying that she flirts with me.
In fairness, ang ganda ng mga haircuts nila. Bagay-bagay din para dito sa video na to.
Damn.
Sa lahat sa kanila, si Kira talaga yung pinaka-charming. But for me, ang pinaka-success sa kanila si Nathan.
Wrapped around my mind, got me losing track of time. I can't help but fall in love every time. A lot of pretty ladies, Casey, Tracy. The other one is Daisy, they got me going crazy. All these girls
One thing
damn, that girl is dangerous.
I observed, no, or I noticed ko, hindi masyadong masayaw sila dito sa video na to.
Every time, shawty, the one I want. That's why that I'm in love with her.
Talaga ang ganda ng color. Ang ganda ng... Perfect. In some of their videos, medyo, alam mo yung may makikita mo kung sino ang angat, sino yung guwapo, sino yung And may mali-distinguish mo sila. But in this video, sobrang equal. Sexy, guwapo, charming, appealing, dan lahat. Oh. Yun na yun. Ako tapos mag-react. So, yun na yun, guys. Natapos na siya. Pero, in fairness, maganda. Maganda yung video. Like, lahat ng, kumbaga, they check all the boxes na dapat nilang i-prepare or i-check nila. So, this video is 10 out of 10 for me. So, yun guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have suggestions na mga i-react ko na videos, please comment down below na lang din. So, para ma-check natin, para ma-check ko, para ma-check ko and mabigyan natin ng reaction. Bye-bye!